Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Edimakor V3.6.0 just dropped, and it's packed with game-changing upgrades. We'll break down every new feature and reveal the 1,000 subscriber giveaway winners at the end. Don't skip. AI Short allows you to instantly convert long videos into viral shorts using AI automation. It automatically generates subtitles, detects highlights, splits scenes, and resizes content for vertical platforms.
Your opponent gets sprayed in the face. I happen to know what songs I'm doing, and I know all of the words.
It's perfect for personal vloggers, interview editors, news creators, comedy creators, and anyone who wants to convert their long video into shorts. Photo to video allows you to animate static images with cinematic AI effects like AI hug videos, kung fu fighting videos, AI kissing videos, cat cooking videos, and so on. It supports 3 modes. Custom mode. Turn 1-2 photos into 5-10-second videos using text prompts. Template mode. Match images to professional templates for instant animations. Start-end frame mode. Upload 2 photos for AI-generated transition videos. Animal avatars. Talking Animal allows you to transform 30+ talking animal characters with lip sync movements. And you can also customize your own animal character here. And that's not over. Edimakor also updated its auto subtitle feature and transition feature. Giveaway winners announcement. Congratulations to our 3 winners. Check your email to get your gift. And for the ones who didn't win this time, don't be discouraged. Edimakor has many exciting new events and giveaways coming soon. Stay subscribed and turn on notifications so you'll never miss your chance to win. Your next opportunity could be just around the corner. Thanks for watching and keep creating magic with Edimakor.